Merry Christmas, guys, and welcome to my channel. So today for you guys, I'm going to be doing my first Christmas look because we're finally into the holidays. Woo! I'm so excited. By the way, y'all, I'm like mad sick right now, so excuse me if you see me like sneeze, cough, or whatever it is. I'm not feeling well, but I still am excited to do this look for you guys because, like I said in my last video, Halloween is my favorite holiday, but also Christmas is. Like the entire fall, all the holidays are my favorite. I love Christmas. I love the festives. I love the themes. I love everything about Christmas. So yeah, if you guys want to stay tuned to this look, just wait, and thank you. So guys, I got this new makeup brush set from ABH Cosmetics, and y'all look, it's gold, it's gray, and it's black. It's so cute. I also got another makeup pouch from ABH Cosmetics, and it includes like different blending brushes, eyebrow brush. It's just so cute. Look, that one's all black, and I'm so excited to use them. So now I'm just gonna get started on my eyebrows, and you shall see from here.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
So now I'm going to be using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the color or shade Dark 42. And y'all, like I said before, I love this concealer. It's really good. It goes on so smooth. It's so flash approved. I just love it. It complements my skin tone perfectly. So yeah, I would definitely recommend the ColourPop No Filter concealer for people who are around my complexion.
And soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lank, misfortune seemed a slide. We got into a drifted bank, and then we got upside. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
So now, y'all, I'm going to be using the All-Star Mattifying Primer by ColourPop. And y'all, I do like this primer so far. It goes on smooth. That helps my foundation go on even smoother. So after I prime my face, I'm going to start off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. That's called Nirvana. And yeah, this is how it looks. These are all the pretty colors. Gosh, it's so pretty. But yeah, I'm going to go on with these two colors. Well, I did say I was going to go on with the two colors, but I ended up just using one from the palette. So the color that I'm using is this plummish, purplish type of color, and I'm going to use that on the top crease of my eye, and I'm just going to continue to blend it in.
No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do. It doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand you let me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
And so far, guys, I'm really loving the brushes. They're really taking the powder so nice, the shadow so nice, and it's applying it so perfect. I have no problem blending I just love these brushes. Thank you, ABH Cosmetics. So now I'm going to be taking this flattened brush and I'm going to be taking some of the concealer and I'm going to be using that to form my cut crease.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
So guys, I also realized that I didn't explain to you the look that I was going for. So if you don't know, I am going for an original Christmas light theme look. So you know the colorful Christmas lights on your tree? I was going for that type of look for my eye. So if you guys didn't know, then now you know it's a Christmas light themed look.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lank, misfortune seemed his lot. We got into a drifted bank, and then we got upside. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Now guys, normally I would show you the color that I'm using from a certain palette, but this time I'm not going to, because this palette that I'm taking this color from is a new palette, and I'm going to do a separate look on it. So I just want to hold off and make it be a surprise for you guys. But y'all see that glow in the blue in the corner? What? That is amazing.
doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the
Thank you guys for tuning in to my first Christmas look for the month. I really do appreciate the love, and I hope you guys stay tuned for more. Later.